Stavyaha, the one who is worthy of praise. Let us recall the Palashruti of Vishnu Sahasranama, where Bhishma tells Yudhishthira, Itidam kirtaniyasya keshavasya mahatmanaha namnam sahasram divyanam aseshena prakirtitam. Thus, the 1,000 divine names of Bhagavan Keshava, the Supreme Being, who is worthy of being praised, have been sung in their entirety. Bhagavan Vishnu is Stavyaha, the one who is worthy of praise. Praises sung by our rishis, glorifying Bhagavan Vishnu's limitless auspicious qualities, are our most prized possessions. Let's sing those praises without any expectation of prizes, only to please Bhagavan. To those who prize Bhagavan Vishnu over everything else, the ultimate prize, moksha, is guaranteed. Om Stavyaya Namaha.